My name is Melody, and I do have a Samsung S10e, which is around 2 years old, and I am annoyed now for two reasons. The first one is I cracked the back, and the second reason mostly is the battery only holds 4 to 5 hours, and then I have to have a battery pack, which is almost as big as my phone to carry with me to be able to finish my day, which is not ideal. So changing my phone, no thanks. I think this is better than what they're doing now. But I need to change the battery. So I did go online and I bought this iFixit box. The iFixit box, I just received it inside. I'm going to slide that out. Ooh, repair kit. So I have a first repair kit with some precision tools on it. I have my second one, which contains the tools and the parts. And I'm guessing this is the thing to make the glue melt. It's pretty cool because all the tools come with it. Oh yeah, look at this. Okay. Pretty impressive set of tools. Let me show you a bit closer. Ta-da! That I'm going to be able to use. Okay, and that's going to be my cap. First thing I'm going to have to use to be able to remove the back. Okay, I'm going to read what I need to do in order, making sure I don't hack it up. And let's do this. They did provide that thing that goes to the microwave, which is exactly the same thing as what I already had, but let's use theirs. So I'm doing one side really hot, and I'm now going to take this and try to suck on it and put this, if I manage to lift it up. At the moment, what I'm lifting up is the phone, just saying. And I'm just waiting for this thing to hopefully make the glue melt and let me remove that back. Okay guys, this is really not made to be open, definitely. And the glue they've put is actually a really good quality glue. Thank you, Samsung. So in most YouTube videos they go swing, click, 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 click. Yeah, you think. I'm telling you, it doesn't happen like that. No. Okay. Meditation. Don't break it. Patience. Patience. I got one bit. It's possible. Not really. It'd be easier if it was not broken. I'm going to end up putting glass everywhere. Let's be clear. This is a back made of glass, which means I might have to put some glasses just in case it breaks and flies everywhere. Safety first. Safety okay, first. So I have no idea where my security glasses are. I don't want to go open boxes in my garage, so I've been borrowing the glasses of my flatmate. And those are not to see from close, they are to see from far. So I can tell you that it's really hard for me to see anything I'm doing right now, but I'm safe, so suck it up now. Let's go. Ooh, I hear some cracking noises. Okay. Plan B. Guys, I think it's coming. Slowly. feel so accomplished right now, and it's only half of the job. Okay, so now that we have the inside of the phone discovered, we're going to have a lot of small screws to remove to be able to have that out. So it's magnetic as well. Good job. I fix it. Pretty nice. Easy, Mel. Like that. Beautiful. The battery is there, and the connector of the battery is right here. So that's that connector. I need to disconnect, change the battery, connect back, and pretty much redo all the reverse of what I've done, which is screwing everything back. In theory, we're good. So I'm going to have to go sideways on that one. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm so close from the screen. Just have to pull maybe. Yes. So here we go. That's my battery, and that's that crazy glue. That is amazing. Anyway, am I getting excited about glue? 3M, if you hear me. And I'm going to have to tape it because I don't want the battery to wiggle. Clearly, everything's glued and it's for purpose. You don't want to, when you shake your phone, the battery to actually shake inside. So I now have the tape that goes all around. So I've added the black and the white is what's remaining. And ready for the drop. 1, 2, 3. Drop and push. Just checking that it's holding. Yes. Okay, connection. Ready? I am now just checking that this thing actually works. And it does. So now that I know my battery works, my connection is right, I'm going to switch it off again. I'm going to be able to add everything back. So, first step is to add this thing back, which pretty much is just the speaker and the wireless battery pack. And I'm going to have to clip it back and screw it back. There you go. Okay, so now that they're all in place, I'm going to tighten them. iFixit provides the glue if you need to put back the one you had before. The one I had before is broken. So I have a new one. And that new one here has the glue already on it. That's the glue pattern. So I don't have to bother with this. What bothers me is that one of them have the lenses and this one doesn't, which means I need to manage to see how to remove this part. Beautiful. Ta-da! Okay. So this one, I don't know if you see, but it's absolutely dead cracked. Yeah. But this is going to go on the other one. So I'm going to have to do a bit of cleaning of the old glue. I have spaces where I have the old glue and the new glue. First, it's not going to tape really well. And second, it's going to be too thick and it might get my glass not absolutely flush. And glass that's not flush breaks. I've added the lens into the back that I have, my new back. Now the last stage, and I cross fingers that everything goes well on this, I'm going to remove this, which is protecting the glue, the layer of glue that is in my new back. And then I have one shot to put it in place in my phone and don't touch it forever. No pressure. And what I'm going to do to seal this properly, or maybe I should start it first, just in case. Okay, wait, we need to just check that everything works. So I'm going to probably call someone. And if everything goes well, what I do is I'll actually use the hairdryer to melt a little bit the glue so it really takes both sides. And I'll press on it a little bit more, make sure it's in place, and then let it go down. Calling. Can I put the speaker on? I can put the speaker on. Okay.
Hello.
It's working. Can you come in?
Oh, yes.
Okay, everything's working. My phone is repaired. That is super exciting. Look at that beautiful phone. Woo, with a new battery and a new back that is not broken anymore. There you go. Whew, bit of pressure. Thank you.